It's currently Monday. We are getting ready to leave for Dolomites and a few other nice routes. The plan is fully commencing, so today should be a fun, interesting day. Check engine, our best friend. You know we cannot live without check engine. But have to plan the route. Well, I have the route already. I'm not sure when it's gonna happen, when I'm gonna feel like it, when the time is gonna be right, but we need to repack the stuff because I literally threw everything in the back. But we have about an 8-hour drive up and down. Obviously we will take stops, so we will be probably gone for about 11-12 hours, getting the clips, getting the Instagram reels, photos and stuff. So let's move off. There is a problem. We have about an hour to go to our first destination. I kind of made a circle around Dolomites. But the problem is, there is not a single car wash that isn't brushless. So self-service one. And I ain't sure I'm gonna go into a brushed car wash with this car. I'd rather go into it myself than put my car through it. So I don't know what we're gonna do. I was hoping to get a bunch of photos. Obviously, close-ups aren't gonna cut it. So we're gonna have to improvise or find a car wash. But I have my doubts. There is not a single car wash beside a petrol station along the route, which is very concerning. Italians, where is the car wash? We have just left the motorway, so we are entering all the curvy roads and mountains again. I've made this kind of, I guess I'll show it on the screen, but there's a little tunnel, so let's give it a downshift. Yeah, but as I've said, we made it up the highway. Now we got all the good roads. We probably got to watch out for cops because, you know, we're not on the highway anymore, but yeah, we are about 32 minutes from our destination. We're gonna look for some nice viewpoints and take advantage of them. There is no way. We found a car wash and we found it under the Alps, under the mountains. There's a car wash, a self-service car wash in the Alps, under the mountains. Holy shit, we will wash the car. Oh, and there's a gas station and I need to go to the toilet. Don't know how happy I am. Also, we got another POV drive recorded right there. Oh, we're gonna have to come back here more than once. Definitely. So I have few euro that I had left over at home. There's no English whatsoever. There's no toilet. We're definitely gonna have to fuel up the car. But now I'm not sure how much or how long this is gonna last, so let's make the best of it. we've stopped for a muffin break, and we've stopped at some, I don't know, tennis court. The M3 looking as good as always right there. Not sure if it's in focus, but we're about to have muffins with views. Yes, camera job on point, but the views are there. Oh, there are nice views. Yep, but we are still about 4 or 5 hours drive, but we're gonna have muffins. How is the muffin?
Very soft.
Very soft. We have went a little off-road and we went up some mountain, and look at those views. I think this is where we're going, kind of. Yeah, the views, like even this to the right, it just looks so unreal and amazing. We're looking for a place to stop in order to, I guess, get some photos and clips, but I think the closest we're gonna get to it is if we find some place on the side of the road, because again, I don't see anything here, and yeah, there aren't any spots we can stop. The parking is very scarce here. So there was 16.5 degrees and now suddenly we're down to 9. And when I was checking out the weather, it's gonna be around 3 to 4 degrees, like right beside where, you know, the city is, the town is. And I mean, no wonder, like there's a snow on the mountains already. So it is such a vibe, because we're about to go to a place where there's like 4 degrees, then we're gonna drive down and it's gonna be like 15 when I was checking, and then it's gonna be back to like 2 or 1, hopefully no snow. But it's crazy how quickly the temperature shifts as close as we're going to the mountains. Look, we have found the very first kind of side of the road. Already took some photos. I'm gonna record one thing. Alps behind us, more mountains behind us. It's a very nice scenery. I'm hoping for more of those. Very nice scenery. Viewpoint number 2. It's already really windy and I can already feel the breeze, but man, those mountains up there, the M3. Now I'm gonna take some photos. Again, better to take more photos than not to, so let's take some photos. We are already so high up in the mountains that I had to put some jacket on, but look, there's snow. There's literally snow all around there. Absolutely crazy. Now we're going up even higher, and I just hope there is no snow, because we're gonna have no traction. But again, the views, they are absolutely amazing. Now here, more people appreciate the M3, but yeah, it is absolutely amazing. Made it up significantly higher. There's snow everywhere. Check out those mountains. Check out those mountains. It is so cold, but it looks so good. Right? Mm-hmm. Okay, let's take some photos, but actually first off, let's go and see how this looks from here. We drove down a little. We still have about an hour and a half to Dolomites, but the view, we're in kind of like a valley, and again, it is so much warmer here, as you can tell. But I'm still keeping my jacket on. Time to get some photos, some more clips, continue our plan. We know. You know, I know. Yeah, the view's absolutely amazing. So we have made it to Dolomites. Well, if you put in Dolomites into Google Maps, you're gonna end up here and you're not gonna be able to go anywhere. I'm kind of tired. Are you tired? She's also tired, but we're gonna have to improvise. Almost fell over, but those are Dolomites. Mountains. More mountains hidden by some trees. But yeah, essentially what the plan is, we're gonna have to find a viewpoint on the way back without her knowing, and yeah, I think we're gonna do it there. M3 looking as good as always. I honestly thought that we're gonna drive to like a top of, not literally the top of the mountain, but somewhat top of the mountain, do it there, but yeah, it's not gonna happen. So let's find a viewpoint.